Cabbage Pakoda. One finely sliced cabbage. Add in it half cup of maida. Add half cup of besan. Add to teaspoons of corn flour. Add salt to taste. Half teaspoon of black pepper, red chili. Add 2 powder and pinches of red food color. Add few chopped curry leaves. Mix and combine all ingredients nicely. Little water is required to mix. Pakoda batter is ready. Heat all and fry pakodas. Fry them on medium to high flame. Fry until crisp and golden brown. Flip on other side and fry. Pakodas are crisp and fried well. Remove them in a plate. Cabbage pakodas are done. Crispy and tasty cabbage pakodas are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Thanks for watching.